Hi friends, Amazon sent me this product with a review. I'm using it right now. Made this bag, as you can see. Look, is this bag for your travel? Like the product is this bag for your travel. It have so much space on it, but you can use only the space that you need because have these three zippers as you can see here. And with these ones, you can choose the size of your bag. I'm gonna let this size to show you this strap that I have here that you can use to put your bag in your bag. You can take all the things that you need for your trip here and use it like a backpack with this strap. You can adjust the strap too here, or you can change the form and to use your strap with these hooks here. You can take it off and use it only here, or use these straps that are a little smaller that is functional too. So I'm gonna close this zipper to show you the different sizes that you can use. Yeah, there I close only one zipper. I'm gonna close the second. As you can see, this is so easy to do. So if you are in a trip and you don't take so much things with you, but when you back, you're gonna take so many things that you buy in your trip to your home. This bag is special for you because you can use it in one size in your departure flight or in a bigger size when you came home. So here I close the second zipper. And finally, the last one. I have to say that these zippers are high quality. You can use it easy and are so soft to use, as you can see. So here is the smallest size of your bag. So another thing that I love is that came with this little security accessory. So you can put your password, and that is a great detail for the security of your things. I'm gonna put some things inside, but let me show you the inside first. Look like this. Only to show you how to look with the package or all the things that you can make with this. In the final part, I'm gonna put this, and I'm gonna use it in all the part here. So to show you another great detail about this bag, I have this to show how to use with the wheels. So if you take so much weights in your bag, you can just put it in the front and use the wheels. As you can see, are soft, it's easy to carry. Actually, if you use all the volume of your bag, you can carry with the wheels too, and that make more easy the work for you, and you can take so many things with you with the minimum effort. So I'm gonna show you one more time how to use your bag like backpack. Again, I'm gonna put it in my bag. And this is the way that it looks. It's easy, it's comfortable. The size is perfect. I have to adjust for me a little this, but it's perfect. So, and the last but great detail about this bag is that it's waterproof. So I'm gonna put these little papers that you can see here inside of my bag in the clothes that we use a minute ago here. And I'm gonna put some water here. And as you can see, the water don't be absorbed and just pass away around my wall. And I'm gonna take out the papers, and as you can see, are completely dry. Now I'm gonna use it to write my bag for the inside. That's great because if you use your bag in a rain, like a backpack, you can be you don't have to worry about the things that you have inside because your bag is waterproof. That's great. And finally, but not least, we have this little window in our bag. I'm gonna show you here that is like transparent. So you can put all your information with a little card right there. So with this and the security accessory that I showed you a minute ago, you don't have to worry about the security of your backpack. I highly recommend it for your travels. See you.